All right, hey everyone, it is Dr. Ihrig here. We're going to be looking at another EOC style question. I did want to demonstrate this. If you ever have a lot on the graphing calculator, you can X each one out, but you can also hit the little edit list button and then just delete all, that little gear. Okay, so they're giving us a function and they want to know which one of those represents the correct space. Now, one, you can just look at it and know what it is. It's going to be letter A because you know the initial value is 24 and that's the only one that has X as an exponent and the initial value of 24. But let's say you forgot that. So how do we use the graphing calculator to help us be successful? First, yep, you're right, we put in the table. So this time our initial value is 0.24. And then once we've done that, remember that we're going to long press and turn on the lines. Let's make these blue just for fun. And then we're going to scroll out so that we can see our points. So now all we're doing is typing in the answer choices and see which answer choice matches the blue graph. Now remember, in our other videos, I show you to do A of X to stand for choice A, but you don't have to do that. You can just type each one and then delete it if it doesn't make sense. Don't forget the way that you get the exponent is Shift-6, or you can click this little keyboard and see the AB button. This AB button will let you put X on the exponent. So in this case, we know that that's the equation. Like that black line goes through all of our blue dots, it stays on the line, so it's definitely choice A. But you know us, we're going to check every single one. So I'm going to turn off the A equation and let's type in B. So I'm just writing B of X to remind me that it's choice B. 16, 1.5 to the X. And we can clearly see that the red and blue aren't the same graph. So then we can type in choice C. I'm going to turn off the red graph. Choice C is 12x plus 24. Well, it does match up in the sense of, let me change this color. It does match up in these two spots. But that's the only place it matches up. All of the other places, so if you didn't zoom out, you couldn't tell that it didn't match. I mean, look at the difference between the blue and the black. The black goes through every single purple point. The blue only goes through 2. So the blue one is not the correct answer. And then let's do D of X just for kicks. And then again, D of X. Let's turn this off. If I zoom in, it's obvious that they're not the same. Okay, do they share a common point? Yes. But if we look at choice A goes through this purple point, this purple point, this purple point, and the one all the way up here. So A is the correct answer.